Okay, let's talk a little bit about the Whirlpool Kenmore direct drive transmission a little bit. So this is the clutch. It's inside the bell. After you remove it, when you do remove it, you have to take the agitator off. 7/16 socket will do it, and it slides off, and then there's the 3 1/2-inch bolts here on around the transmission. So I wanted to show you a little bit about the drive couplers. This drive coupler is a little worn. You can see it's sort of worn on the edges there. This one's a little tighter. What happens is sometimes these will, if they're not put on far enough into the shaft of the transmission or the motor, they'll wear out the splines here that hold it in place. So they have to be all the way on. I always make sure that the couplers flush, at least flush with the shaft when I put it on, or I've had a lot of these spin halfway off, and they'll ruin part of the spline and be halfway out, and then just won't work right. And you see these things in all shapes and sizes. They bust a lot of times under pressure. Now that's the main reason for this video right now. I wanted to tell you about the 2 different types of couplers. Now you'll see this one here has a steel center on it, and when me and my friends first found out about this, we thought it was the greatest thing in the world, because these things were always busting, and if we didn't have that problem, then we wouldn't have a lot of problems, right? Wrong. This plastic one, I believe, is designed by the engineers who made the system to break under pressure. These ones that are steel in the center, they won't be the fuse in the system, and they'll break something inside the transmission. So now we have a transmission problem. It's not just as easy as replacing the coupler anymore. So there's your tip for today, and I hope you benefit.